Top 10 essay topics about human behavior. Full moon effect on human behavior. It is an exciting idea to discuss popular belief and scientific research on the alleged influence of the full moon on the conduct of a person. You may research various theories or hypotheses that attempt to explain the observed changes in behavior during the full moon night. Analyze studies that support or refute the existence of a link between the lunar cycle and man's conduct. Effects of computer programming and technology on human behavior. Here, we advise spotlighting how technological advancements, like social media or artificial intelligence, have shaped human behavior and interactions. You might analyze the positive and negative impacts on various aspects of conduct. For example, you may include communication, productivity, mental health, social relationships, etc. The study of human behavior and stress. This essay analyzes the impact of chronic stress on cognitive functioning and explores the relationship between human behavior and anxiety. What coping mechanisms can individuals employ to mitigate the adverse effects of stress? Try to answer this question in your paper. You should also discuss the physiological and psychological responses to stress and how they manifest in personal conduct. Morality and ethics, religion effect on human behavior. How does religion impact societal norms, laws, and cultural practices? Try to find the answer and highlight how religious beliefs and teachings shape individuals' moral decision-making and attitude. You may analyze how different religions address ethical dilemmas and provide guidance for moral conduct. Climate change needs human behavior change. In this paper, you should discuss the importance of human behavior change in addressing the challenges of climate change. Therefore, investigate the psychological and cultural factors that influence human behaviors related to environmental resilience. Moreover, analyze successful initiatives to promote pro-environmental behaviors and reduce carbon footprints. Understanding human behavior and the social environment. How can a comprehension of the social environment help address issues like poverty, inequality, and discrimination? Try to this question. Study the impact of social determinants on human conduct, such as socioeconomic status or social support networks. Furthermore, you may highlight the various theories and frameworks used to grasp how individuals are shaped by their social context. Human behavior change in the course of a lifetime. Here, we suggest studying how human behavior changes throughout a lifetime. You may start with a discussion of the theories and concepts related to human development. How do major life transitions, like parenthood and retirement, influence a person's conduct? Answer this question. Likewise, include the factors that affect behavior at various life phases. What are the outcomes of understanding behavior change for promoting personal growth? Disaster reaction in human behavior. Research human behavior in response to disasters. How do individuals and communities cope with the trauma and grief associated with hazards? What are the long-term mental repercussions? Try to analyze the aspects that impact disaster preparedness, response, and recovery, involving personal resilience and cultural norms. Nonverbal communication and human behavior. We encourage you to dive into the role of nonverbal communication in human behavior. Here, you may spotlight how such communication can convey emotions or influence social relationships. How does cultural context shape the interpretation and use of it? Try to answer this question. Additionally, discuss the various forms of nonverbal communication, like facial expressions or gestures, and how they contribute to interactions. Brain injury, cognitive models of human behavior. This is a serious topic that examines the impact of brain injury on human conduct. How can cognitive rehabilitation and therapy help individuals regain functional abilities and adjust to changes? To answer this question, you may study different cognitive models that explain mental functioning changes resulting from traumatic injuries or neurological disorders.